3, 2, 1.
What's up, everyone? Dan here, Crypto Capital Venture, April 29th, 2018. It's Sunday. Wasn't going to do a video today, but I figured I'm going to do a quick one. I've seen a lot of comments on what's going on with Litecoin in market cap, kind of falling down there, and other cryptocurrencies overtaking Litecoin. And I figured I'd do a quick video, kind of just for us to step back, zoom out, not just on the charts, but just in general on the market and what's going on, just so we can get some real good perspective. We can have some level-headed perspective. I think not even just Litecoin, but other cryptos as they fall and go up and down. It's good just to relax for a second and just remind yourself of the crypto market. And that's what I want to do real quick. So yesterday I tweeted, yes, Cardano overtook LTC in market cap. It doesn't mean Litecoin's failing. It doesn't change the fundamentals of Litecoin. It doesn't mean we won't be top 3 soon. I said if you want to be long, find a project you can confidently get behind and hodl. No complaining. When I say things like that, I'm just kind of being sarcastic. And, but yeah. So here we go. Right now, if you look at CoinMarketCap, Litecoin is number 7. And I just want to point out, yes, Cardano, EOS, they're doing their thing right now. They're moving. But first off, can we just let other cryptos do their thing? Like if you look over the course of the last years, every cryptocurrency has its time to shine. It just happens. And it doesn't all happen at once. So like when there's a cryptocurrency like Cardano, and we just talked about this in a video like last week, when there's another cryptocurrency shining, just let it do its thing. I mean, we don't need to always be in the spotlight. Litecoin doesn't always need to be the top mover. In fact, we don't want it to be. That's not really how this thing works. So let's look at historically. Just back in January, I just want to remind all of you, Litecoin was number 6, almost number 7 behind NEM. NEM was, look how close NEM was to Litecoin. Cardano caught up, overtook Litecoin, and that happened. So, but for context now, let's go to the charts. Let's look at EOS. So EOS, you can just see in the last week, 250% gains. Actually, I mean, really even more, almost 300%. I'm kind of just doing that quickly, but, and not in the last week, I'm sorry. This is April 11th, so like 2 weeks or so. Just nonstop. And obviously in that process of these gains, 200, almost 300% in a couple weeks. In that process overtook Litecoin. It happened. It's all good. It's okay for that to happen. But I guess I want to point something out to you. So Litecoin and Bitcoin as well. You can see just completely, just look how flat Bitcoin is. And let's go to Litecoin. Look how flat. They haven't moved yet. And you can even actually go back to, the November area before we had our big moves. There were other smaller cryptocurrencies having some insane gains before Bitcoin took off, before Litecoin took off. So this isn't like anything new. And that's really all I want to do in this video is talk about how this is nothing new. And for context, this isn't like a prediction or anything. I want to throw out the possibilities because we have EOS, almost 300% gains in the last couple weeks, overtook Litecoin. But what happens if Litecoin makes a move? And for context, let's take right here, December 1st to like December 13th. So a couple weeks, 415%. Litecoin just moved, went crazy. I'm not calling for 415% gains, but what if Litecoin finally took off and Litecoin got to 350? That's only around 130% gains. Okay? So if Bitcoin and Litecoin finally had their time and just, let's say, Litecoin very possibly revisited previous highs, which obviously you can see EOS just did and broke that with almost 300% gains. If Litecoin did that, and Litecoin's sitting at $350, then its market cap would be around 20 billion. So if Litecoin's market cap was 20 billion right now, and if that happened, which we all know, and I'm not sitting here predicting it, I'm not trying to pump Litecoin, I'm just trying to paint you a picture of how quick things can happen. If that happened, you would go from a state of discouragement because EOS and Cardano have taken over Litecoin to a state of, wow, I love my investment in Litecoin, and a confidence in your investment into the project. It can happen so quick. So if it did that and Litecoin's at 20 billion, then we're talking about the flattening again. So Litecoin's right behind Bitcoin Cash. It overtakes EOS and Cardano, and we're in a whole another situation, a whole another world. I just want to throw that possibility out there because that's the way these markets move. And I've seen a lot of discouraged, and I don't want to say negative comments, but a lot of people out there are discouraged that Litecoin moved down a little bit. And listen, I'm long on Litecoin, and there's other cryptos I like and everything, but my point was on Twitter, find projects that you like, and don't get discouraged if other projects are just shining and doing well. Don't get discouraged. It's an emotional waste of time, and it's going to make you tired, and it's just not worth it. So it's always important to zoom out on the charts. And this is just something I learned. You want to zoom out on the charts. You want to zoom out in the market. And you want to have like a broader picture of what's going on in this story of cryptocurrency. Don't get caught up in the day-to-day. That's all I'm saying. So find your project that you like. I'm not even trying to pump Litecoin right now. Find projects that you like. And if you're in Cardano, enjoy this. I mean, congratulations if you have a nice long hold right now and you bought it like 15 cents. It's awesome. I'm happy for you. So everybody just relax out there. Have fun with this. It's a good market right now. Bitcoin and Litecoin, I'm really liking both of them right now. So let me know your thoughts below. How are you taking the Litecoin falling to number 7 on CoinMarketCap? I hope you're doing well. Thanks for watching on this Sunday. If you're out there, I hope you're enjoying your weekend. If you're not a subscriber, please do subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of the channel. As always, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video, and God bless.